What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and today I'm going to be opening 2 more penny rolls from the bank that I got. And yeah, let's see what we can find today. Hopefully we have, you know, a little bit more luck than we did last video when we did the coin rolls. But I'm hopeful today we'll find something good. All right, let's get straight into the video. Hope you guys are having a good day. Oh, all right, let's go through these. And already I see a wheat cent, so that's good. 2021. Got this wheat cent right here. All right, let's flip it over. Let's see what it is. 1940. Not bad. Not in the best condition, but I'll add it to the pile of wheat cents. Awesome. Okay, 1999. So like I said with 1999, well actually 1998 through 2000, if you look on the back, and it's a wide AM versus a close AM, this is worth money. So I'm gonna put this under the microscope and see if we, you know, got the wide AM. And it's close. So this is not the one we want. All right, we got 1979, 2006, 2006, 2016, 2022. That's pretty dirty for 2022. 2004, 2017. You know, with the 2017, you're looking for the floating head error, just like the 2019. 1994. We got a 97. So with 1984 and 1997, you look for the double ear. This one doesn't have it. 1975. 1978. 2001. Let's see. 2021. You know the 2021 pennies have that die break error, that major die break error running across the bottom of the coin. Those are worth a good 150 to 200, maybe even 300. It's pretty scratched up. 2020. 1997 again. That earlobe looks kind of thick. Let me see. Put it under a microscope. Nope, that's not it. 1978. 2022, 1986, that's a nice 1986, 2010, 1970, 1982, this is a large date, pretty damaged, so we don't want this one. Doesn't have a D, doesn't look like. 2000. So let's look for that wide AM. We got another close. One of these days we're going to get it, guys. 1997. 2021. 2004. Wow, this one's pretty beat up. 1989. 2018, 1984, 2021 again, 1982, has some holes in it. This one's really damaged. 2014. Let's see what this is. 1974. Okay. 1973. 2022. 2002 with a little bit of toning. Okay, we got another 1999. Let's see. Put it under the microscope. Nope, that's not it. 1994. 1985. Looks like someone manipulated this one. Yeah, 1975. And 1980. So for the first roll, we found a wheat cent, 1940. Not the best condition, but let's see if we, can find something in the second roll. Okay, guys, so let's open up the second roll. All right, so let's see. 2022. 1983. So with the 1983s, you want to weigh these because they could be worth some serious coins, no pun intended, if they are 3.1 grams. So let's see, let's get the scale. And let's weigh this one. 2.4. So that's not what we want. All right. But check all your 1983s. You might be, in for a big surprise. 2003, no, 2008. All right, 2008. 2022. 2017. No floating head. Let's see. 1979. Okay, so we found a 2009 presidency coin. Not the best condition. I usually only try and save them if they're in like mint condition. All right, 2019. 2022. Let's see, 2019. Let's see what we got. I like to look at the front and the back because you never know if you find an off-centered coin. Oh, this one is badly damaged. $1968. $19.99. Let's see. It looks like it's close, but we'll put it under the microscope just to check. Yep, it's close. All right, 1985. 1941. Okay, we got another wheat cent. Better condition this time. The last one was in 1940. All right, so we'll put that to the side. What was that, 1990? 2007. 2015. All right. 2011. Let's see. 2017. 1973. Got a little extra on the rim. It wasn't quite centered when it was minted. Let's see, 2000, okay. These look like it's close. $2020. Okay, 1997, we check for the ear to see if there's any doubling. 1983, let's weigh this. $2.5. Okay. We have 1993, 2006. This one has some damage on it. 2001. It's a nice looking 1982 large date. 1980. 1982 small date. Some pretty cool toning. I wish it was a 1982D. Cool. Going to be doing a video real soon on how to tell the difference between a small date and a large date. So look out for that. What's this one? 1985. No doubling. 1999 again. Let's see. Put that one under there. Nope. 2000. Let's check this one. No. 1984. And the last one, guys, 2022. Okay, guys, so just a quick recap. We got the 1940 wheat cent out of the first roll and the 1941 out of the second. And that's all we got today. Those are all the finds we have. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Happy hunting.